up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Huswa TV, and this is Huswa from Huswa TV. Today I'm with LJ because he bought a musical instrument. It's a travel guitar from Lazada, and here it is. We're gonna figure out what brand is this, and then the price. Then of course we're gonna try playing this guitar. So first, we're gonna get some alcohol because it's COVID is real. So we're gonna spray alcohol and then spray. So here we go. And then we're gonna get the knife. So here it is, guys. Here's the price. I'm gonna cut the price, and then I will gonna show you the price. So here it is, guys. We bought it in Lazada, and then the courier is, and the seller address is Gauyug ka. And the seller address is in 56 20th Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City. So here is 6,031. Okay. It's 5,500, and then we pay shipping fee 500, so it's 6,031. It's Taka Mini GS. So GS Mini. This is a Taka Mini GS Mini. JCraft. So we're gonna open this one. And the model is this one, Taka Mini GS EQ. So we're gonna open up this one. The tape is here. Here. And then I guess there's nothing more. So we're gonna try opening the box. And oh, here's the pick guard. And then, surprise! Balik bitaw. Patay je, balik je. Tada! Wow! I was surprised by the case because most of the time the guitar doesn't have free case, but this time it has a case, and then it has a support. But let's see if the guitar doesn't have any crack. So let's figure this out. Alright, wow. What do you call this one? It's a foam, right? Kane? Foam bag. Foam bag, I think. And then, here's the Allen wrench for the truss rod adjustment. And then, here's the bangan. It's all yours. The pugong. So, tadan! Wow, it's super nice. This is the headstock. This is the headstock, and then this is the guitar. It's a nice guitar. It's really wood finish. It's a wood finish. It's not glossy. It's not the glossy one. It's the matte wood finish. And then I think the string is the Adario, and I think it's 11. And it has equalizer or preamp. It has bass, mid, and then treble. And then it has also face, and then notch, power, and here's the battery slot. Oh, it has a free battery. This is a heavy duty battery, 9 volts for the preamp, and we're gonna try if the preamp is working or this battery is not low, but we're gonna try this one. It cannot lock. So it's locked, and I think it's not holding. It cannot hold the battery, so we have to put something in it, I think. It cannot hold the battery. Alright, it turned on. It turned on. We're gonna tune this guitar. So, by the way guys, this is the JCraft acoustic Troubadour Taka Mini. It's inside. And then we're gonna tune this guitar first, and then we're gonna test the sound quality of this guitar. So let's go.
She comes